Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Leadpages to WordPress for fast campaign UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Leadpages to WordPress, start by logging into your Leadpages account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Integrations tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find WordPress in the list of integrations. Click on the Connect button next to the WordPress option. You will be prompted to enter your WordPress site URL. Make sure to enter the full URL, including http:// or https://. After entering your URL, click on the Connect button. Next, you need to generate the Leadpages WordPress plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard in another tab. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. Search for Leadpages in the search bar. Once you find the Leadpages plugin, click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Now, return to your Leadpages account. In the Integrations tab, you will see a section for WordPress where you need to authenticate. Click on the Authenticate button. You will be directed to your WordPress login page. Enter your WordPress credentials to log in. After logging in, you will be redirected back to Leadpages. Your Leadpages account should now be successfully connected to your WordPress site. To start creating campaigns, head back to the Leadpages dashboard. Click on the Create button to start designing your landing page. Use the provided templates or build your page from scratch. Once your campaign is ready, click on Publish. In the Publish settings, select WordPress as your publishing option. Choose the post or page where you want to embed your Leadpages campaign. Click Publish again to confirm your choice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.